So his name is just Gopal Krishna Gokhale. He is called as the Guru of Gandhiji. Okay, next Surendranath Banerjee. So he is also one of the important person. So these are the three important great fathers for this political party. Next here we can see this picture. So this is the picture, the old picture, just it is drawn. Okay, it is not the photograph. So of course maybe photograph, but so this is the first meeting held at Surat. So once upon a time Surat is present in Bombay Presidency. Now it is in Gujarat, because at the time Gujarat and Maharashtra both are single state. So at the time it is called as Bombay Presidency. So this is the Surat. So this is the first meeting held in the Surat, and nearly 72 delegates are attended. So we have discussed already this one. So no need to tell this once again. Next, the Indian Congress. So the moderate phase, 1885 to 1905. So within this Congress, again, the partition was happened. So the thoughts are different between our national leaders. Okay, so what is the thought means? So Indian National Congress is divided into two parts. One is moderates. Next one is extremist. Okay, so extremist, moderates and extremists. So moderates indicates their intention is to pray, petition and protest. We must pray the Britishers to provide some objectives and some provisions in the constitution of British. And if they don't accept means, we must give some petitions in the courts. And still if they did not agree means, then we must go for protest. That is the policy of these moderates. Next, extremist. Extremist is, their intention is directly we must go for Swaraj movement. Okay, so directly we must ask the Britishers to vacate from India, and we must immediately protest, not requesting or giving any petitions or agreements. Directly we must go for protest. That is called as extremist phase. So Congress is divided into two phases, and moderate phase is from 1885 to 1905. Okay. Next here, extremist. So who is the important persons under this one means? So we can call this as Lal Bal Pal. Remember this. Extremist phase means immediately we must come these three names. Lal Bal Pal. So Lala Lajpat Rai, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal. So these are the three important persons on the extremist phase. Next, so this is the delegates of first Indian National Congress meeting 1885. So this is also the photograph. This is the real photograph taken at the time of this first meeting. Okay, we can see here nearly 72 persons from across total corners of India. Okay, and next one here. So extremist phase, 1905 to 1920. So this is called as a Swadeshi movement. So Bala Gangadhar Tilak was there. In the extremist phase, mainly Bala Gangadhar Tilak. So he acted as a very important role. Bala Gangadhar Tilak. So Tilak is also called as Lokamanya. His name just he is called as just Lokamanya. Lokamanya Tilak. Okay, Lokamanya means what? So he is the leader for all. Okay, like that. Just it is like title. So Lokamanya Tilak. It is a title for this Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, and Bala Gangadhar Tilak, he also launched this Home Rule movement. Okay, Home Rule movement. And next one is Swadeshi movement. And three movements he launched, not only two movements. He launched three movements. One is the first one is the Home Rule movement. Next one is Swadeshi movement. Okay, next one is Vande Mataram movement. Of course, immediately the Vande Mataram movement, sometimes they are called as this Vande Mataram movement. Okay, so here in the Swadeshi or Vande Mataram movement, their call is given that we must not use foreign goods. Okay, we must use only our Videshi goods. Sorry, We should not use our Videsh, that is okay. Avoid, so that is a call given like this. Avoid Videshi goods, use Swadeshi goods. You can call like this. Okay. So Swadeshi goods like this. So this also practiced in the Vande Mataram movement also. Okay, but here in the year 1905, the great things are happened. So 1903, at the time for India, total India under British rule, Lord Curzon were there. Okay, Lord Curzon. So Lord Curzon, he declared that partition of Bengal. Okay, partition of Bengal is nothing but just dividing of Hindus and Muslims. So this is the policy of divide and rule followed by Britishers throughout all its colonies. So they followed this policy not only in India, they followed in this South Africa also. Okay, next not only this South Africa, even this Canada, Australia, okay, Alexandria, okay, next Sicily. So all these countries they have occupied. They also followed these policies. Nigeria also. In the Nigeria also they followed this divide and rule policy. What is the meaning for divide and rule policy? Means we must divide the people so that they can fight each other based on groups and they can forget about the freedom struggle. When the freedom struggle was started in India, so they followed this policy successfully in India. That is a partition of Bengal. Okay, it is called just partition of Bengal. So when Bengal is divided, so Hindus and Muslims have started fighting each other. Then they have forget their freedom struggle ideas. So the same policy they followed in the Nigeria and also this South Africa, Canada, Australia, okay, Alexandria, like that. So however, Balaganath Tilak, he has understood this one and he said that the British peoples are trying to follow this divide and rule policy, like that he said. So for that he has celebrated this Vinayaka Chauthi. So he asked all the people in the Mumbai to celebrate Vinayaka Chauthi along with both Hindus and Muslims as to show this brotherhood. So for that even both religions combinedly they celebrated this great procession of this Vinayaka Chauthi in the year 1903 to 1905. But still the Lord Curzon did not obey this and they immediately in the year 1905 the Bengal was partitioned into two states, East Bengal and West Bengal. So East Bengal is for Muslims and West Bengal is for Hindus. Like that they divided. Then immediately due to some religious sentiments, so both peoples are fighting each other. Okay. So this is happened at the time of these Swadeshi movements. When the partition of Bengal was completed, so Balaganath Tilak, he called all the people to follow this Swadeshi movement and also the Vande Mataram movement. So in this movement he called that burn all the Videshi goods. That means the foreign goods which are getting from Britishers, France, like that. Immediately burn all the clothes and use only the Indian clothes. Like that he has given a call. Why he has given a call? Because if we target the Britishers financially, then at least they can recognize our freedom struggle. So like that he called like that. Okay. Next, so just to move forward. Yes. So I think this lesson was already completed. Just wait. So here